This plants, palm tree, zonal geranium. I'm going to use that thing because too big for that small pot. Setchrecia or purple heart, yellow petunias, pale pink petunias, maybe one or two of these coleus. If possible, I'll add this Victoria blue. I changed my planter into a taller one with wider mouth, as the Majesty palm tree needs more room for the roots to grow. I'm putting the palm tree at the back. In front of the palm tree, I'm putting the geranium. I saw this hibiscus blooming again, so I grabbed it. I'm using triple 13 as usual and alfalfa meal. Next one is the purple heart. I grabbed this trailer from that pot because this has become bigger for that small pot. Next one is the reddish brown coleus. For continuous bloom of the hibiscus flowers, trim it or prune at the base. I'm talking about spent flowers. New flower bud growing. Thank God it has quiet. The wind took a break. I'm going to use this orange and yellow mix nasturtium, 4 favorites. This is a good vine flowers. I don't know if this bird is injured. It's been there for 30 minutes already. This is my first time to plant chayote. It's difficult to find a matured chayote where you can see the seed outside, a little seed only, glimpse of the seed. The other one is this one. See, there's roots already. My husband was wondering, why are you buying that thing? It's moldy. Well, I was not buying for the fruit, I was buying for the seed. So I'm gonna bury the what do you call this, the roots. The roots will be coming out from both sides, that one and that one. The important thing is to cover the area where the roots will grow. So I've thrown in alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. Compost. I have here echinacea. That one is Prima Donna Deep Rose. The other one, it did not state what variety it is. No problem, even though maybe they are not of the same variety. Planted the smaller one first. As usual, the fertilizer that I use are the alfalfa meal and triple 13. Now I'm putting my compost.